Patent is the part. So, intellectual property deals with the different types of creations of the mind for which exclusive set of rights are granted by a government. So, it includes trade secret, trademark, copyright, patent. So, intellectual property rights are intangible assets and it can help in the financial innovation, in the creativity, in the credit availability, and increasing of capital base of an company. So, creation of new financial instruments and technologies and making it have greater investments. So, intellectual property is an important aspect of for a company and innovation, creativity, technological, especially dealing with the technological innovations are an important asset for a company. As already described, holds an asset for a company and it has a lot of importance of patenting and innovation for students, universities, colleges, small entities is critical apart from the large entities and large companies. So for the small companies, entities, and students, they have various benefits, various importance of the intellectual property. For example, commercialization of the invention. So once you have invention in your name, so you can commercialize it, you can license or cross license the patent, increased opportunities for research, then you can get a lot of investments and funding, higher scholarship opportunities, especially abroad, social benefits and economic benefits, innovation and product development. Your invention can be uh, developed into a product, promoting entrepreneurship. So, startups and various small entities deal with these innovations and this will make them stand apart from their competitors. Then it also promotes entrepreneurship, academic and industrial offers. So if a small if a college or a university or a set of students have developed any invention and they don't have those resources to develop, they can get industrial offers and develop them into big products or in their in the development of those innovations. IP divisions should be formed in schools, colleges, or universities, and incentives in the various companies or schools and colleges or universities can be assigned in order to promote creativity and innovation. Policies for filing of the patent applications. It gives a reduced patenting fees, fees assistance by attorneys. There are various IP cells to help in the preparation and filing of the patent applications and in their prosecutions. So there are various remittance in the filing fees which are laid down by the government. So this is as an individual is supposed to pay rupees 1600, small entities shall pay 4000, large are obliged to pay rupees 8000, and 50% relaxation is given to an individual and small entities. Then there is a scheme for facilitating intellectual property protection, that is SIPP, and it provides 80% rebates to the startups for filing patent applications. You can also avail special facilities of expedited examinations. The Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India has also signed an institutional agreement with Anna University to establish India's second Technology and Innovation Support Center, that is TISC. There are various TISCs and across India, and they promote and help in the filing of the patent applications and in their further prosecution and grant its own importance. So there is a even if you have an invention, but it's important to get a patent on it. So it helps in the protection from copying by others without your permission, then stopping the competitors through infringement lawsuits. If anyone is copying your invention, you can stop them, especially your competitors, through lawsuits. Competitors can be taken back by the fact that the lawsuits could help result in forcing the counter patent against them. Then licensing, cross licensing of the work, blocking competitors from patenting by documenting the work and making it prior art. Patents build the value of company and generates employment and creates wealth. Be studied or can be analyzed with the statistics. So the following presents the statistics of the growing number of patents that are filed in India, which indicates that a lot of innovation and inventions are being done in our country. Patents can be seen for the first time in the last 11 years. The number of domestic patent filings have surpassed the number of international patent filing at Indian Patent Office, and this is a great indication for our startups in and small innovators. Statistics of filing and grant of patent applications over the years. And the plots that show the growth of patent filings in India over the years. Coming understanding what are patents and their importance, now we come up to the another type of intellectual property, that is trade secret. A trade secret is a formula or a practice or a process, design, an instrument, pattern, or a compilation of information which is not generally known or reasonably known, by which the business can obtain an economic advantage over competitors. So the best way to understand is by using the example of Coke. So Coke has a different chemical formula which is not in the public domain and which makes it different and unique from its competitors and other soft drinks. So the company has must take the various steps to protect their trade secret and keep it as such a secret. There is no expiration date, and it can last forever if until and unless it is properly protected. Granted by law for the original and artistic work, so it is given for the to the authors or creators of any literary or artistic works like music, dance, paintings, photographs, sound recordings, or computer programs, and its lifetime or its validity is the life of the individual plus 60 years. So example can be seen that a C uh, under a circle indicates the copyrighted uh, protection. Like protection on Microsoft website on its software. To the trademark. So trademarks are for distinct sign, mark, or any indicator that is used by an individual or a business organization or legal entity to identify that the product or the services are belong to that particular organization, and it is for the consumers. Its lifetime is 10 years and can be extended for every 10 years, and it lasts forever. Coverage can be so it can be a name, word, phrase, logo, symbol, design, image, or a combination of all these. There are various symbols that are used to indicate trademarks. TM is for an unregistered trademark, that is a mark that is used to promote or brand goods. SM is for service mark, and it is used to promote or brand services. R means a registered trademark. So you can see a lot of examples of trademarks like the one for McDonald, Deloitte, CNN. So all these are unique indications, symbols, or logos that distinct it that particular product or service from others. Inventor the right to exclude others from making, using, manufacturing, importing, selling, or offering for sale the invention without the permission of the owner of the patent. Its lifetime is 20 years from the date of filing. exchange the government monopoly for the full disclosure of invention. So that is, you have to provide the details of the invention to the government so that it can be properly filed and patented. Invention must fulfill three criteria in order to get granted. It is like novelty, non-obviousness, and industrial application. That means novelty means that the invention consists of one or more new elements that are novel and nobody else has ever thought about it. Any person possessing skills in the particular field of the invention must not find the invention to be easy and obvious, which is the criteria for non-obviousness. Industrial application and utility is the third proper criteria. And then under the Indian Patent Act and Indian patenting system, the invention should not fall under the section 3 and 4 of the Indian Patent Act. Kinds of IP and the various points that make them unique and distinct from each other. Intellectual Property Awareness Mission (NIPAM), under the initiative of the governments, has been launched by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade in 2021, and its aim is to create awareness on the intellectual property and its right, on the patent filings, on the innovations in various from the class level, as junior as being in the 8 or 10 class, and then even 6th class onwards, and then to the colleges, universities, small groups, small entities, and other companies and startups, individual contributors, and others. So it's like the aim is to create awareness throughout India and enable people to file more and more patents and do a lot of innovation. Session, you can provide us the feedback in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment our Patent Academy, and we'll be back with another topic for discussion and learning. Thank you.